some big breaking news now coming in, and Russian President Vladimir Putin is set to visit India in December. That is the breaking news that we can confirm. Vladimir Putin will be in India. The Russian foreign minister has confirmed this December visit. The visit is likely on the 5th and 6th of December. Let's go across to Disha for more on this story. And Disha, give us, what do we know so far about the Russian president's visit? What is on the anvil? What's on the agenda during this visit?
Right, Gargi. So this is going to be a very crucial visit for Russian President Putin, the first visit by the president to India since the Russia-Ukraine war began. And in fact, as of now, what we know is that he was going to visit in the first week of December. The 5th and 6th of December is what we are hearing now, and really makes it clear to Washington, who's been attacking New Delhi for its buying of Russian oil, saying that no third party, no country is going to influence or hurt India-Russia relationship, which has been quite strong over the decades. And really now this is reiterating that fact quite clearly, with President Putin all set to visit New Delhi on the 5th and 6th of December. And really it highlights the fact that the growing partnership of the BRICS countries, with Russia and India being a crucial part of that alliance, and now making it clear to all parties, especially the West, especially Washington, Europe, saying that no matter what the language that is used, whether it's calling India the laundromat of Russian oil, or any of this kind of baseless rhetoric that Washington has been spewing against New Delhi over the past couple of months that we've been seeing, that is not going to affect or in any way hinder the India-Russia relationship, which will remain strong. And now with President Putin all set to make this very important New Delhi visit, we're all set to see how this strategic partnership moves ahead.
Right, Disha, we did see, when the Prime Minister was in China, when he met Putin there, the friendship between the two leaders, the fact that the Prime Minister rode with the Putin, for one of the summits that they were attending. So that is something that the West was watching very closely. As you said, that this is really, showing the West that we stand by our old friends like Russia. And interestingly, though, it also comes at a time when the negotiations are on for the US-India trade deal.
Absolutely, very interesting timing. But it's not just oil that's going to be on the agenda when it comes to this very important visit by the president. Of course, the Ukraine war will be one of the key topics, but also defense deals. India buys a lot of key defense equipment from Russia. So we can expect that there's going to be major defense deals that will be signed during this important visit by the president. But yes, of course, as you mentioned, when the Prime Minister Modi was in China for that crucial SCO summit, we did see those visuals of the Prime Minister and President Putin traveling together in that car and having those very informal chats, as well as the formal bilateral later. And we also saw those excellent visuals of the BRICS allies holding hands, and that kind of visual imagery is very important, and very important messaging sent to Washington to make it clear, as I mentioned, that these relationships, these crucial relationships between India and Russia, old friends, cannot be seen through a third lens, and India's foreign policy remains clear, and these such rhetoric and these kind of Washington trying to bully India to stop buying Russian oil is not going to impact this relationship in any way.
Right.